So Chris is going to show us the house and the carpet.
So basically right there you got your traffic lanes,
Yeah.
professional term fiber abrasion, simple terms wear and tear. Right here where it looks like rows of corn, it's actually called corn rowing. It's another form of wear and tear. It's because your carpet is a polyester, polyurethane, builder's grade carpet. It's actually more plastic than fiber, wears out fast.
Wow.
Same with these, very worn. They get stepped on a million times a day probably.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alrighty, your Berber is an in and out stitch, still polyester, polyurethane. Cleans up a little better because it's an in and out stitch, but again, traffic lanes are always going to be more gray than other. Alrighty, this room still fairly good. This room has some permanent paints. You can see the purple dot right there. I did everything I could.
What is that? It looks like a little wear and tear or something in the
Yeah,
middle
even
there.
put a solvent there. That purple dot, that's paint. Couldn't get that off.
What's the dark color in there? Is that just wet?
That's probably your shadowing and wear. Alrighty. And in this room, it is loose, so it rippled from the heat. As it dries, it will lay flat back again. I do recommend a stretch in this room already. And then they were trying to hide up some urine. There was urine over there after I got rid of the Chem Crunch. We went ahead and did a pet treatment. You still have some yellowing there. There is a product called Stain Magic on there. If it's able to dissipate, it'll be dissipated in 8 hours. Got some bleach damage there and bleach damage there.
Is that orange
Yep.
thing? Okay.
Already?
From where?
You said you put a treatment
right
on
Oh,
there?
right there.
Yes.
Okay.
It's called Stain Magic. If it's able to dissipate, it will be dissipated in 8 hours.
Okay.
Already?
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
And the cost?
$200.
Okay, thank you.
Already, and you can just pay that through your email.
Okay,
That
thanks, Chris, on that. What do you think the best carpets are?
I like 5th generation nylon. Scientists actually got together to form that fiber. It actually already has a stain blocker built into the fiber to the point when you get it clean, you just renew the Scotch Guard. That way it covers your warranty. But 5th generation nylon is the biggest, comfiest pile that I like.
Really, yeah. And a good pad, of course.
Yes.
And then for the treatments now, the best way to clean with people just water and white towels?
Yes, if you spilt some red wine, some red Kool-Aid, the best thing to do is blot, never scrub. Pour a cup of warm water on there and keep blotting. Maybe take a shop vac.
Never scrub, just
Yeah,
blot
never
out.
scrub, just blot.
Really?
And
white
then maybe
towel.
put
'Cause
a
you-
heavy textbook on there to wick everything to
You
the
know,
surface.
there were some technology companies that were using a bunch of white towels. Remember that?
We still do use white towels.
White towels.
What was that?
The Kim Dry people.
Yeah, Chem Dry.
They even
They
exist
used a
anymore?
floor machine with a bonnet, but
Yeah.
that left more residue than anything.
Yeah, this picture-
Because you
yeah.
blend it into the carpet.
And then
Yes.
and then prep your home. It's always a good idea to still vacuum it and stuff.
Yes, vacuuming is the most important
For cleaning.
part of your carpet, is maintaining your carpet, as your carpet is 85% insoluble soil, which is dirt and sand. So if you have a family like me, husband, wife, and 4 children, you're gonna wanna vacuum every day.
Good.
Already, if
How
it's
about
just
dogs?
you guys, and a dog, vacuuming every other day is fine.
Hey, thanks,
We have
Chris.
2
You're
dogs.
very, very welcome.
We've got good.